Hello guys, in this video we will see how to fix the no dialogue option. The glitch in The Witcher will cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step of verify game files, integrity, content launch or game launcher, a God Galaxy, Steam, look at The Witcher in your game library, access the game's properties or settings, look for an option to verify game files, check integrity of game, cache or a similar phrase. This process will scan your installed game files and automatically replace any corrupted or missing files that might be causing the dialogue glitch. Allow the process to complete fully, which may take several minutes depending on your internet speed and game size. Restart your game after verification is complete.
Step update graphics drivers. Content outdated or corrupted graphics drivers are a common source of glitches in games. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA and or Intel. Download and install the latest drivers specifically designed for your graphics card model and operating system. Make sure to fully install any previous drivers before installing the new ones. To avoid potential conflicts, restart your computer after the driver installation is complete to ensure the changes take effect. Step: reinstall The Witcher content. If verifying game files doesn't resolve the issue, consider a complete reinstallation of The Witcher. Before reinstalling, you install the game completely through your game launcher. Ensure all associated files and folders are deleted. Then reinstall the game from your game launcher, making sure you've downloaded the latest version. This ensures a fresh installation without any potentially corrupted data. Step: check for mods and conflicts. Content. If you've installed any mods or downloaded content for The Witcher, these may be interfering with the game's core functionality and causing the dialogue glitch temporarily. Disable all mods and restart the game and see if the dialogue option is now available. If the problem is resolved, enable mods and one by one to identify the conflicting elements. Step: contact customer support. Content. If none of the previous steps have resolved the no dialogue option glitch, it's time to reach out to the game's customer support or the developer's support team. Provide them with detailed information about your system specifications, the steps you have already taken to troubleshoot the issue, and any error messages you have encountered. They may have additional solutions or be aware of known issues that could be causing the problem.